Hello and welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio, where I'm going to share my art supply haul. It was so much fun. Let me tell you what. If you love going out and getting art supplies, let me know. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start off with what I got at Dollar Tree. Let's see, these little vase filler. They're floral garden, but they will work really nice in epoxy resin, the pyramids, and anything else. So there is item number one from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, I have some flexible stencils. Love the seahorse. Not too, really didn't get it for those two, but mostly got it for the seahorse. There you go. Also at Dollar Tree, I got a pack of oil pastels. Be interesting to see how good these are. Let's just take them out. Oh, I'll rip the box. Okay. There are 12 colors in here. Let's test them out if I can find a piece of paper. Alright, let's test these little babies out. Of course, we have black. Okay. Let's try red. Well, so far they kind of feel like cheap crayons. So I would suggest, if you're really serious, wow, that doesn't even want to show up. It might be okay for kids to practice with. That green doesn't even look like green. So the oil pastels at Dollar Tree are kind of like cheap crayons. Alright, so next from Dollar Tree, actually that was it from Dollar Tree. Alright, the next thing was from Barnes & Noble. I found this book of the Complete Artist's Handbook of Drawing and Painting. I'm so excited about this. Can't wait to try out the different techniques. It has different techniques, tools, supplies to use, a little bit of everything. Grease pencils, charcoal and chalk, 3-color technique, pastel drawing, which don't be using the Dollar Tree oil pastels on. Okay, just different things on blending. Chinese ink, ooh, that's neat. I think I even saw like ballpoint pens in here too. So that's, watercolor. So I'm really excited about this. Believe it or not. Okay, so that's Barnes & Noble. Next was Walmart. Okay, so Walmart, I got Crazy Art. I know that's not a really good brand. Bold and Brights markers, neon color pencils, and a different brand of color pencils as well, so we'll try those out. And I also got 37-piece watercolor set. Been wanting to try some watercolors, so we'll see how that works. I'm not going to try them out right now, but that's from Walmart. Let's try out these Crazy Art markers. I know Crazy Art is not like top-notch. I was just curious. Okay. not too bad. So far I like them better than the Dollar Tree oil pastels. What color is that? Okay. They're not horrible. Well, they have a lot of pigment to them, and they're not dry. So, okay on the Crazy Art markers. Let's try the Crazy Art neon colored pencils. Oh, it takes a lot of effort to get them on the paper. That one's a little bit better than the first one. They're okay. It says great on white and black paper. And that might be part of the problem. If I had some black paper, it'd show up better. But let's try them against this other brand that I got at Walmart. What is this color? Oh, it's a color. Brand. Essentials. I think that's like a Walmart brand. I'm not really sure. But let's try against the Crazy Art. Okay. Try to do comparative colors. And there was about $1 difference in cost. And these are the fluorescents. These seem to go on a lot easier. I still have to put in some effort on it. Of course, I'm using something other than white or black paper. Let's try this purple one. I would say that in comparison with the two brands that I have here, this was like $1.54, and I think these were $2.68. So price-wise and quality-wise, they're about the same. Like this is probably worth $1.54, and this is probably worth $2.68. But I guess if I was really sitting down doing something serious on the right paper, that might make a difference. Okay, so next up, I went to Michael's. And I got my very first set of watercolor in the tubes. So we'll try that out. I'm going to try another video on something special I have an idea for. So keep an eye out for that. 24. So I don't really know how to compare these to any other watercolors that are in tubes. I've never tried them before. But like I said, keep an eye out for a video coming up for a special project. And the final thing that I got was at Michael's is a Drizzle paint spinner. My first one for acrylic pouring. I'm so excited to try this out too. Haven't had one. So it'll be exciting to try this out. So keep an eye out for different videos. I think this was a little over $16 at Michael's. But if you have a Michael's reward account there, it took it down to like 14 something. So that helps. So remember that. Go to Michael's, sign up for the rewards program. It's well worth it. They send you coupons and like $5 off reward point things. So it's very helpful. And that is it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Come back for a special project that I am planning on doing with these watercolor and tubes. Thank you and have a great day, night, whatever you are. Thank you.